It's promoting a healthy scalp, a healthy skin, which will increase in hair growth, prevents hair loss, giving you fuller, healthier hair.
Hey, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, continuing to showcase the amazing plants, medicinal plants that we have here in Jamaica. Today we're back on rosemary, but today we're looking at rosemary for hair care though. We did a previous video on rosemary in general with the folks from AA Farm. There's a link in the description as well to that. But today is rosemary for hair care. And I have the two beautiful ladies back with me. Remember those two ladies that did the hibiscus video? Link in the description to that as well. Well, they're going to help us look at rosemary for hair care. And I'm going to share that with you. Special shout out first though to those persons who interacted with the first video, that hibiscus video that they did. And I want to say thank you to you and all my subscribers who continue to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you. If you are brand new, meaning your first time here, I say to you, join us. On a journey to showcase what I call the real Jamaica. The real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica, the real places to visit in Jamaica. Everything unique about this beautiful island. I'm on that journey to share with the world and I want you to join me. So if not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go. So guys, back on the lawns of Hope Gardens, and these again are the beautiful two young ladies who have been kicking up a rumpus. They are gonna help me. They're gonna talk about rosemary for hair care today. This is
Saneka, Hibbert,
Shaquilla.
They are friends from school days, and they're doing very well. They're taking old time products, the old Jamaican products, and turning them into contemporary, modern day stuff that everybody can use.
Yes.
And today we're looking at
rosemary.
Rosemary. So this is it. This is what the rosemary plant. We have a demo. We have a little plant here. I have a little plant here to show you. That's a smell. Actually, let's start there. What does it look like, smell like?
I'm getting a little bit of a minty smell from it.
It's very aromatic, warm. It has a very warm scent, and as Shaquilla said, minty. And it's actually from the mint family. The leaves are needle-like. It's a shrub that grows in very hot areas, hence Jamaica. It's perfect for that. And yeah, it's very fragrant, mood lifting. There are different layers of essential or different types of essential oil. The rosemary falls under the mood lifting essential oil. Yes. So
those with bad mood, it's good for them?
Yes.
You know anybody with bad mood?
Just get some rosemary.
Give them some rosemary as a gift, right?
That is it.
Alright, so good. So that's rosemary. So let's talk a little about historically how we use it, Saneka.
Alright, so one of the things that rosemary is known for is in seasoning.
Yes.
A lot of persons
I almost forgot that.
Herb. Yeah. A lot of persons use it as a herb or a seasoning, as I said, in cooking. So that's one thing rosemary is known for. Also tea.
Yes.
You drink a nice cup of rosemary tea if you have gas. I'm assuming that everybody knows what gas is.
Yeah.
You use it to boost your immune system, blood circulation. It helps with memory loss, all memory improvement. So yeah.
You typically use it for tea? Have you used it?
I have not used it for tea,
okay,
but definitely
you use it. What do you use it
cooking.
For? Oh, cooking.
Yes.
Are you use it for tea?
Tea. Yeah, I'm a tea person.
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And on the topic of tea, because a lot of people, I like tea too. I find ourselves drinking more tea as I grow older.
Yes.
How do you use it for tea? So how you use it?
How I use it?
Yeah.
You boil it, so just like how you'd boil the mint tea. You put the water in the pot along with the plant or the rosemary in this case, and you allow it to boil until...
What amount though? Well, you typically use?
Right, so if I'm doing, say, let me see, like a 16 ounce or half pot. Well, a cup For a cup of rosemary tea, I'll probably use this amount.
Okay.
Yeah, because you don't want it to be too strong.
Because it get bitter.
It does get bitter,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So
Because it's very strong.
yeah, it's very
Yeah,
strong.
yeah.
Very strong. And
Okay. All right. I'm smelling it right now.
nice.
Okay, so on the topic though that we're here for rosemary for hair care.
Yes.
What does, and I know they typically convert it to oil, right? Rosemary oil.
Yes,
Right. That's why you use it for hair care.
Yes.
It converts to an oil first.
Right.
Yeah. So tell us a little about that. What is rosemary oil good for in terms of hair?
Okay, so in terms of hair, where the rosemary oil is concerned, it increases blood circulation to the scalp. So with the increasing of blood circulation, you're having more nutrients coming to the hair scalp, so it's nourishing the hair follicles, so you have more hair growth. It also speed up the cell turnover time, so which promotes thicker, fuller hair. So if you're experiencing hair loss, rosemary help a lot with that, especially for mothers who suffer from postpartum hair shedding. It's great for that, right? Rosemary has anti-inflammatory properties, so which means that it prevents inflammation on the scalp, so which increases hair growth. A healthy scalp, hair growth, right? It has antifungal properties, which helps with dandruff, fungi, have antibacterial properties. So basically it's promoting a healthy scalp, a healthy skin, which will increase in hair growth, prevents hair loss, giving you fuller, healthier hair.
Wow, mouthful, guys, and they're qualified. I tell you, these young people are very qualified. You hear them sound bright? Give them a thumbs up for me. Yeah, they actually, I mentioned it earlier, but we did a video on hibiscus, talking about hibiscus, and there's a link in the description. And I asked them the question, how qualified they are to talk about these things. Check that video and you'll understand why they can talk with this kind of confidence. And bright young persons. Thank you. I have some questions that I want to ask you, both of you. Guys, you're watching and you know my routine. I'm not going to allow them to leave without asking some popular questions that people have about rosemary. We look at traditional use of rosemary here, which is mostly in tea and in food, the season. But these are some questions persons like you have, and I'm going to ask them to help us to answer that. So one is, again, sound a little bit redundant, but I'm going to ask it anyway. Can rosemary oil regrow hair?
Definitely.
Answer is yes. An easy one, right?
Definitely.
And she explained that all of that already. Okay. Can I directly apply rosemary oil to my hair?
No. The rosemary essential oil, right, tends to be very potent, very strong. So everything has to be done in moderation. So you don't want to apply that raw rosemary essential oil to your scalp. It will contribute to hair loss. I had a friend who experienced this, and he said, "Oh, Saneka, the rosemary was working for me, but guess what? I started putting the raw oil on it, and then so he experienced
you got a little
hair
bit
loss.
too excited.
Yes. So important is that you mix it with what is known as a carrier oil. You can mix it with your castor oil, your coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, all of those oils that are good for hair growth. So you mix the rosemary with that, and it's beautiful.
Reminds me again, guys, here's another video I did. We had a lot of these videos. By the way, I'm doing a special series on medicinal plants in Jamaica, and we already looked at a bunch of them, including aloe vera. There's a link in the description to aloe vera as well, another powerhouse medicinal plant. And the ladies, the Pecan sisters, they actually use rosemary in their aloe vera, which make a hair product as well. That's good. Yeah, so you're right on the money in terms of rosemary, you know what I mean? But I'm not sure. Did you finish answering the question? I feel like I interrupted you. Answer.
No, yeah.
Okay. So your answer is don't directly apply it to
the hair.
Use some carrier
oil.
Okay. All right. Good. Can I use rosemary oil on my hair every day?
Yes. Once it is mixed again with a carrier oil, you can use it every day.
This is my quick question now. The bird here, guys. The bird just came to join the party. Gone. All right, I think we can. Anyway, how how do you how do you use it? How do you use the rosemary oil?
Okay, so once you, as Saneka explained earlier, once you are using it with a carrier oil, you can just apply it directly to your scalp. Every other day, or if you want to apply it every night, then that's fine. So you just add it to your scalp and just give your scalp a nice massage, which helps to promote the hair growth.
Oh, cool. The other question, how long does it take for rosemary oil to grow hair? I'm moving the camera between both of you.
Well, it depends. It depends on the conditions
How
that
bad
you're
your hair
having,
is?
right, and how bad or how far damaged
Yeah.
it is. But typically, you should start seeing growth within 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a reasonable time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How long should I leave rosemary oil in my hair? Said
Okay, so
Shaquilla.
once you apply it every day, it depends on when your wash time is, so you can keep it as long as your next wash day. So it is safe to be on your scalp for a long period of time.
Okay. Are you aware of any side effects for rosemary oil?
Yes. As mentioned before, too much of the essential oil can contribute to hair loss. So moderation.
Okay.
And if you boil too much rosemary tea, it'll be bitter. So that's bad for the taste.
Can I sleep with the oil in my hair?
Sure, you can definitely sleep with the oil in your hair. I would suggest though wearing a hair bonnet at night, because you don't want to get all of that. Because sometimes oil can drain. You don't want to get all of that on your sheet. So just have on your hair bonnet.
Okay, and final question. Guys, if you have any questions, additional question, come shoot it, man. Drop it in the comment right now. And I get back to these ladies to have them respond. You'll respond, right?
Yes, you'll respond in the comment section.
Yeah, drop it in the comments right now. Drop your question in there. The final question I have for them: how do you prepare rosemary for hair growth? So again, like a redundant question, but I'm asking it just like how they ask it, guys.
Well, Shaquilla does the beard oil. She mixes the rosemary with carrier oil, so she can tell you
The
more.
beard oil.
Yes.
So let's talk about that. The beard oil. The beard oil. So this beard oil is for men, right?
Yeah, so this beard oil is for men, and it contains, as we are talking about, the rosemary. So what it does, it moisturizes the skin underneath the beard as well. So with a moisturized skin, you know, that's a nice layer for growth. As we mentioned earlier, it increase blood circulation, so all the nutrients are going there at the area where the beard is, so that the beard can grow fuller and thicker. So it will prevent hair loss. It will prevent dandruff patches in the beard as well, because because rosemary has antifungal properties. So what I did is to infuse.
So hold on, let me pause it. So you guys, this product here, this lady makes the product.
Yes.
These two ladies,
Yes.
they made this product. It's a beard oil for men.
Yes.
So they're talking with confidence again. This
Yes.
is no joke, right?
Right.
All right.
Based on a lot of testimonial, because this is actually one of our best-selling products. We have a lot of male customers, and the beard oil is a life for them.
Yeah, you know, I didn't know beard oil was so popular.
Yes.
Okay, so sorry, continue.
So for the beard oil, the rosemary is used in two ways. It's used in the powdered form. So what we did is to infuse the powder in the oil. So we have oil such as castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, all of these wonderful oils that we infuse the powdered form of the rosemary in it for 3 weeks, 3 weeks to a month. So we have the rosemary infusing in the oil along with other different herbs, and you also can see the rosemary plant itself in the oil. So while you're using the oil, right, you have the rosemary plant inside that is giving it more, making it more potent for hair growth, guys.
Let me ask you something. Who taught you ladies? I know you have some science background and stuff.
Yes.
But in terms of this particular
A
product.
lot of research.
A lot of research.
We have done a lot of research.
Proud.
For me particular, I love natural products. So I've done a lot of research so that we can create the best natural ingredients. So we can create the best natural products to use on our skin and our body.
What inspired you both of you. I don't know. This is your baby. This is Rosemary. The Rosemary oil. What inspired you to choose rosemary? So we're talking about medicinal plants in Jamaica, and you have to do the rosemary. I want to find out what motivated you.
So for me, as it regards to the rosemary, I know that the rosemary helps a lot with hair loss. So
how did you know that?
Upon doing my research and just using the rosemary in ingredients that I use on my own hair, I am a natural hair blogger, so I do a lot of I talk a lot about natural ingredients to grow your natural hair, also on my YouTube channel at Natural Soul Care.
Cool.
And I also a natural hair blogger, so I like to use natural products. So coming up on researching and you know, finding out about rosemary that we use every day in Jamaica. You can go downtown and buy a bag of rosemary for $100. You know, I had to do
$100 Jamaican dollars, guys.
$100 Jamaican dollars.
You get them
that's about 60 cents US.
Yeah, you get them looking like this. This is how they sell them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And okay, cool. Sorry.
Yes. So just finding out these plants that we use every day, you know, prompts me to do more research on these products.
Awesome.
You know, and just using them up.
Awesome. This beard oil though is not the only product you have. You understand? You have another product that you use rosemary as a base, and this one is Saneka's baby, which is
the rosemary shampoo and beard bar.
That's it.
Yes, this is it. You know, this is a rosemary product, right?
So it's a soap.
It is a soap.
And what is it?
And you know, it does similar to the beard oil, except that you have to wash it off. It helps to promote growth, helps with itching. It helps to slow grain. It helps with that grain.
Oh,
right,
Greyin.
Right,
okay,
right.
Okay.
It helps with the possibility of dandruff growing in your beard or on your hair, because you can use it on your beard and you can also use it on your hair.
It's like a shampoo?
It is a shampoo.
Oh!
It is a shampoo.
Okay.
And
it's just a shampoo bar, soap, instead of the liquid.
Yes, correct. The inspiration for this came from the reviews from the beard oil, right? So as Shaquilla mentioned, the rosemary is one of the main ingredients in the beard oil. Now, I use the rosemary as one of the base for the shampoo. So I brew the rosemary tea. When making soap, you have to have a liquid component. So the rosemary tea was the liquid component, mixed with other oils such as castor oil, apple cider vinegar, shea butter, and all of that came together to form this beautiful rosemary shampoo and beard bar.
Awesome. Now I'm gonna challenge you guys online. Again, I'm so proud of these young ladies. Last time I asked you to put the word proud in the comments. I'm not gonna say proud. Which word do you want them to put in the comments?
Rosemary.
Rosemary.
Yes. Rosemary for hair growth.
Rosemary for hair growth.
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. You said you wanted to say something?
I just wanted to say,
Shaquilla.
So anyone who wants to learn more about hair growth, any females on here, you can follow me on social media at Natural Soul Care, and also the same thing on YouTube, where I talk more about hair growth and maintaining your hair growth as well.
Okay, and that's how if the people want to reach you to learn more about the products, though, is that the same?
So for the beard oil and other products, it's all over to Black Gold.
So yes, you can find us at Black Gold on Instagram, which is BLXC_gold.
Say that again.
BLXC_gold on Instagram, and on WhatsApp the phone number is 876-337-8733.
Any questions related to rosemary? Any questions related to young people, entrepreneurship,
small business, and
I'm actually just adding that in there, but you ladies are awesome. Thank you so much for the learning and the teaching, and for doing what you do, promoting authentic Jamaica in a tangible way. All the best to you.
Thank you. Bye.
Shaquilla and Saneka, guys, on rosemary for hair care, rosemary oil for hair care. Proud of these two young ladies, young entrepreneurs, young female entrepreneurs, using traditional Jamaican products, traditional Jamaican herbs to make a business. Listen, there's another video, 100 medicinal plants of Jamaica. It's an older video, but you need to see it. It's in the link in the description below, and it's in the card above. See you in that one.